Hello everyone and welcome to another introduction video from BIM Object. I am Laura and today I will show you some new products available from NEOKEM, an international manufacturer of powder coating for architecture. We are in BIM Object searching for the product we need. We need to use the filters on the left or use the free search tool. In this case, we want to find NEOKEM products. So we type the name here and filter for the brand. NEOKEM has developed a lot of collections and colors as BIM objects for Revit. We choose Heaven from Sarah collection. In the product page, we can take a look into the information shared. There are descriptions, specifications, links to their website, classifications, and so on. When it's time to download the file, we click on the download button and choose the file we need. In this case, we find the RFA of the chosen color, or we can also download the full library of the collection. Keep in mind that Revit does not come with textures. It's an Autodesk limitation, so we need to download the image too. NEOKEM files are delivered for Revit 2020, so if you're running a newer version, Revit will update the object automatically. Now we have the placeholder ready to be positioned. We can take a look at the type properties delivered by NEOKEM. They change according to the object selected. From the material browser, we can upload the texture and see how it looks. It shows both in 2D and 3D. We have also downloaded two other products, Grey Color from Sarah collection and Hydra from Mesogeios. If we need to apply one NEOKEM color to our project, we can just go inside the type properties of the object and edit the material accordingly. In order to do that, we click on the three dots on the right side and choose the material. Once we have replaced it, we will see the aluminum window frame change to Hydra color. It's all for today. Feel free to download and try NEOKEM products in your projects. Thank you!